the lice infestation, commonly known as the pediculosis, more common in case of the sheep and goat. So presence of lice on the animal body, sometimes it is neglected by animal owner and veterinarians also, because we are thinking that these small lice, they are not having any harmful effect on the body of animal. When the animal having anemia or there is a constant irritation or itching, so most of the time this biting and sucking lice it can cause, especially the sucking lice. It just suck the blood or tissue fluid of the animal. And in case of the rapidly growing kids, we can see there is anemia. And we thought that anemia is due to the internal parasite. And we are concentrating on hemoptysis or any other GI parasite when we are giving endoparasiticidal preparations. But once you have to examine the body of animal or hair of the animal, so at that time you can see small lice which are present on the skin of the animal. Lice two types, biting lice and the sucking lice. So these biting lice, they are having a broad head. So head, it is broad one and it is having pale to brownish color. So brownish color lice we can see. And sometimes sucking lice, it is having the grayish type of lesion. So grayish type of coloration in microscopic examination. And this sucking lice, they feed on the blood or tissue fluids. While this biting lice, they are feed on the hair follicle or on the epidermis layer of the skin of animal. In case of sheep and goat, once you examine the skin superficially in the opposite direction, just examine the hair follicle or hair of the skin coat of the animal. You can see such type of small lice infestation. Otherwise, this mange or this mite or any ringworm, they are not we can see from the naked eye. But this lice we can see very well with our naked eye. Once you have to go for the close examination or with the help of torch of mobile or some light source it is there, we can easily see the small structure which are moving on the hair follicle or on the hair surface of the animal. So the examination of hair in the opposite direction, it is necessary one. It is most commonly observed in the cold weather. So it requires low temperature for the multiplication of the lice. And these lice, they are completing their life cycle within a period of 21 days. So like mite, it is having larvae, nymph and adult. And it will take near about 3 weeks for the completion of life cycle. And these lice, they are completing whole life cycle on the body of animal. Lice, they are completing whole life cycle on the body of host or on the body of sheep and goat. And frequently area that is head region, neck region, dorsal abdomen or groin region, we can see such type of lice in case of the animal. So sometimes these eggs of lice. So in spite of the adult lice, this egg, whenever they are completing their life cycle, we can see there is a oval shape or pale colorless type of eggs. So these are called as the nits. Eggs of lice, it is called as the nits. So these nits we can see on the hair shaft of the affected animal. So this hair shaft, it is having these nits. And these nits, they are very much harmful. Can cause irritation to the hair shaft or they are also sucking the fluid from the body of animal. In case of the treatment, so generally this fipronil spray or cypermethrin, they are effective for the control of lice. Shearing of the sheep and goat, it is necessary one. But sometime due to the extreme weather condition or if the animal they are lactating or pregnant one, so shearing it is not possible one. So at that time we can go for the treatment. So this fipronil spray or this cypermethrin spray, it will give better result. But this spray, it should be applied after a period of for 10 days or 14 days. This type of treatment, it will only kill the adult lice, not the nits or egg of the or hatching stages of the lice. So due to the killing of these hatching stages, we have to wait another for 10 to 15 days. And again, there is a repeat treatment after 15 days. It is necessary to kill the all stages of the lice. So these commonly at field level, fipronil spray or cypermethrin, they are very much found effective.